Try and keep out of the open as well.
Where would the cameras be?
I didn't even know what we did.
Let's go through here.
This fire, what was the camera? Yeah, I know. So, like, look at the fucking forest. Look at that. I know. Are we winning the war yet?
Shh, guys, shush, shush, shush. Keep your voices down. That is
No, there's one of those police ones in there. Guys.
Guys, there's a police thing.
There's one of those police camera things down there.
That's down there, not up here.
I know, but just keep quiet.
Oh, shit.
Bikes all over.
Of there. Of this bit. No, come on. What if like the security look through the... Ground is spiking.
Right.
Oh, can we go up the sides? What happened there? No. Yeah, what about that left side?
Should we try and open it? Can't open it. Are you going to do your parkour, mate?
Okay, if you get hurt, honestly. Oh, that is such a sick view. What's in there?
Someone chop me a talk.
I'm going up to Reef right now, so you be careful, Tane, mate.
I think this is angled right. I think it's fine.
Phantom Den builders.
Phantom den builders. Phantom den builders found. Target on their head. 12 million. £12 bounty. Okay. Oh, bet, bitch, I should do that. I say so.
That's probably like a wheel.
Ooh. Ooh, landmines. Bear traps. Oh, bear traps. Ooh, that would hurt.
Jake, it'll be fine. There's no
definitely
way they'll
Apple
find
fun.
out who we are if we've got so much space going on.
Shit, this is our race.
This is our race.
We are green. Stand up!
I'm joking.
I'm gonna get this on you. It's just constantly like a noise, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, come on, guys. Let's move. There's such a piss take, because we went here, and then Kate said, nah.
Yeah, we should have just carried on.
Honestly. Kate's talking to his mom, probably. No, not Kate, I mean Jake.
Why did he come if he was just going to
I would have
Matt's grave.
Now, I would have said no, 100%. No to what?
Just going out for dinner. Did you have a choice?
I don't know. Well, even if you didn't have a choice, if you're out here, then... No! Wait.
Brick.
Oh, you can sell it.
Something used to be here, bro. There's a brick.
Oh, underneath it.
Goes as mine.
Should we take some stuff home, like the souvenirs?
Shall we crawl down there
Once we
and
get
get in
into-
the bunker?
This isn't the
Is that a
bunker.
bunker down there?
No.
There's definitely a bunker under here. I'm telling you.
Maybe.
Because there's bricks
it's all filled
here,
in now.
brick there. There's bricks there too as well.
There's no way you're getting in.
Alright, where we go from here?
Forward, literally straight on, dead on.
Dead. You are dead.
So what we're gonna be? We're gonna be dead.
What? Where we came?
From the way we came, onto the path and then go left. Nah, this is actually showing on. This is good.
Oh,
Then
it's
we-
fucking
have
ages.
their ringer on?
Look, there's a-
Does everyone, no, guys, does someone have their ringer on? Ringer. Just so, like, you can, you know, he's in distress. Oh shit, that's the dodgy. Alright, come on.
Yeah, that is a bit dodgy. That thing's
They
circling
can't, it's not a
around.
helicopter. If it's not a helicopter, we're fine. Plus, they wouldn't send a helicopter out.
Yeah, but what if they fly around, drop bombs on us, and we're dead?
Yeah. You know, people.
Yeah.
Will they be able to detect a drone? Do you know there's police cameras? Because you can put the drone
Probably.
out of the area.
I mean,
Back in the
There's no police there.
back in like the 60s and stuff, yeah. Or not, I mean like probably later, like maybe the 80s, yeah. People would come down here all the time, and even the bunkers weren't locked. But since it's been bought out and stuff like that,
Who would buy it out?
I
What does that even mean?
don't even know. I think it's been bought, or it might be cancelled. It's just got fixed.
boys, hold on.
Basically, they've put big iron doors on a lot of stuff.
Again?
Through that way.
Yeah. You should bring some of that napalm so we can melt through those doors.
Should have bought thermite.
Yeah, should have brought fucking
Thermite
thermite.
literally melts. Like we could get through any.
Yeah, it literally melts the door and the entire forest.
Yeah, that's true. Oh my god, imagine we start a forest fire, we'll be fucking
That what
out.
was Melvin Smith in Canada?
Start a forest fire?
No, thermite.
Yeah.
Guys, what actually is
That was sick. That was so right.
That was so.
I'm not joking, I have one eye, look on it, and the other eye of the thing. Oh my god, my arm's
It
blind.
is so unbelievable.
Oh, it's still
It
there,
looks so
man.
cool through the thing. I was gonna bring it
really
home.
cool, yeah.
I was gonna bring it home, but then he was fucking with it. That sounds like a helicopter.
Nah, that's right.
Oh, imagine the fucking robot camera thing just stands up and starts walking through.
No, it's a massive assault rifle.
It's like that video, you know, the
Terminator.
CGI videos, yeah. You know the CGI YouTube video. Oh, that was so scary.
Indian
Oh, this is a pretty good part.
Yeah, this
What
will
we
be.
drive through here, they made is it?
What even is?
It's like a massive.
It looks like a bathroom.
Holy
You-
shit, that's massive.
You know what I don't understand is
Bullshit.
how something like this, yeah, ends up like that.
Looks like a massive microwave.
What do you mean?
Like it's so big. How did it just flip out here?
Oh yeah, no, it's because of all the bombs and stuff. Wait, can you fully go down there? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Uh-oh. Bad news, I need a shit.
Do you actually?
Nah, I'll hold it in.
No, I got a toilet roll.
Do you?
Yeah.
Genius.
Do you actually want to go?
Nah, I'll wait a bit.
Kid, how far does it go?
It's like
I
over
think-
there, not that far, like
I think this
10
is what-
meters.
Dan and Callum and everyone saw.
Can we go down there?
Yeah,
Can we
go.
like hold on for a
Yeah, go
second?
down.
Let me get my flashlight out. Relax, guys.
Yeah, okay. We can use our phone, we can use our phone flashlight.
No, it's fine because I've got a really good one.
Careful, these don't collapse today.
Yeah, they do.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Got it.
Stick helmet on maybe.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
That's a skeleton.
Oh my god.
That's a rib cage.
What the fuck?
That's a rib cage.
skeleton everywhere.
Heads? Oh my god, why are there so many skulls?
Where?
What the fuck?
They're not skulls.
Yeah, they are.
Oh no, that's deer.
Yeah, but not people. What's she?
Where? No, go down, go down.
People.
Go
And
down.
I'm like, what the fuck?
No, it's not people.
You're not going down.
I'll just wear it.
No,
I'll
no,
go
no, no,
down.
no.
I'm not scared of the skulls, I'm scared of this falling down.
It'll fall down and then that will be your skull.
Yeah, Ted.
Oh, fucking hell.
Look at it's already slipping.
Oh, nah, there's actual deer heads there. What the fuck dragged them in here and eaten it?
Don't say that.
A bear.
Oh wait, there's a way out, look. You can go there. Oh, that really fucking got me through that.
This is like a proper bunker then, isn't it?
Oh my god, there's so many people.
I like crunch.
Look at that one, the eye's still there.
That's disgusting.
That is actually scary. It's like a horror.
I can't.
Do you think the GoPros?
Look how intact that is.
Do you think the GoPros like picked that up?
Weird. Crush it. Crush it.
I might have to blow that out, you know?
Nah.
Oh no, don't.
No.
We don't want to breathe that in.
Oh, wait, there's
So someone
Look,
burnt it.
do you think you can fit through that?
Guys, climb out.
Okay.
I think someone burned these.
Who? What killed this? What killed them? Do you think they
Fucking hell, Reese, don't say that. You fucking. Oh. Oh. Look, I scratched on my legs off.
Where? Oh, so close.
Nah, don't say what ate that. That is fucking nasty.
We need to go up there now.
See the head torch?
Imagine doing this here in the dark.
Oh, that'd be so scary.
Shall we come here another time? Because there's like down there,
Yeah,
there's
we'll come here in summer. The thing is, I don't want to come too much and then they're like, you know,
They'll know
start
us.
to act, because they will notice over the time. Whoa!
Go next week again.
Nah, look at all of this, guys. It's like parts everywhere.
What part must have happened here?
What would have killed this? Do you think there were hunters and they jumped them?
No,
Hunters?
Guys,
This is cool.
how about down here? There's
Oh, look, that's probably cut me there. Oh. Oh, the tyre.
Now look at all these parts
Oh,
here.
look, motors. That's a motor.
See if there's any dates on it. There you go.
Yeah, we should climb up there.
Wait, what did I say?
Yeah, let's go.
FLP.
Oh, I need a shit. Okay, I might have to take a shit.
come on.
How much toilet paper you have?
Anyway, yeah, and also my cat's gone missing, so
Oh.
do this shit.
Aw,
Cats go missing so much.
yeah.
Yeah, but mine's been gone for like a month now.
He's had it for 6
Have you
years
put
or
up
something.
posters?
No.
You should.
I think it's too late. I'm gonna go left down that way.
The thing is though, cats can just like live on their own.
Yeah, especially my cat. My cat's fucking...
But
Here, nah, it is.
Cooper, like dogs, just can't.
Yeah.
They're nice. They're nice. But that's because, you know, they...
Rely
Wait,
on
wait, wait.
You go left.
Alex's cat is thick set. Like, it is chonky.
My cat, no, I've got the fat cat, and then I've got my other cat. It's a fucking bodybuilder, mate.
Yeah, that one. That's one that I saw. It's hilarious. It is built, your cat. Oh, look at this. Follow the tracks to the next bunker, I guess.
I hear rustling down there.
Dear,
Pretty
probably.
dear. Or maybe... try
Loads of people come here.
Maybe it's that person who killed
Nah,
all
fuck.
those deer.
No, shut up. No,
Ridiculous.
shut up. That's not even funny.
He kills deer because they're the only thing that, you know, lives around here, but he'll
Yeah.
go for anything.
Okay, don't say that.
Fucking
You
cat.
have your knives, guys.
I might have to
We
get
have
my...
knives, don't we, guys?
I have 2 knives actually in 1 tool. Wolverine.
I've got a Swiss Army.
I can break my arm, yeah, sharpen the bone, and
I've
turn it
done
into a sword.
karate for 10 years.
That's a good idea, because then you have like a hand knife. You're like,
Yeah,
ching, ching, ching.
bang.
That's actually such a sick idea. Now you take off the tip of your finger and sharpen them.
Reese, what are you on?
You sharpen the bone on the tip of your finger.
In what way is that a good idea?
Yeah, it's so good. Nah, survival situation. You get a knife, you cut into your hands, you go like this. Ah.
Sharpen the bones, and stab everything.
Imagine you just have 2 sharp stumps.
Like fucking Wolverine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, look at all that.
They've gone down, so we're riding.
There's the white deer.
Yeah, look.
Reese, look, the white deer's over there.
Hey, that camera's like red.
Did you hear that?
What was that?
That was a deer moaning. Look, I can see one in the bushes looking straight at us.
Same.
Look, that's the white bit.
Look, there you go.
Oh yeah, there's like a black and white deer down there.
Oh, never mind, that's just a sign.
Look, bright white one, bright white.
There's 3.
Albino.
See, albino.
That is sick.
Did you see that?
No. I saw the
Look, running.
Whoa, that's all. Well, that's actually fucking awesome. It's genuinely.
Guys, look. Guys, look, guys. Look. Look at the deer. Alex, look.
Have you taken a picture?
Say bye or something, guys. Come on.
Alright, as I was